video today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a pretty bow, and this is Bestie Bow inspired. Now I'm choosing today to go with 3 different ribbons and 3 different colors and sizes. So let's see what I can do here, guys. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to cut strips of these ribbons. So we're probably going to go with 3 on each one, and what we're going to do is probably go around 18 inches. And so let's start there. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and leave a mistake that I made in the video. So that little ribbon does not have a wire. So you definitely want to use a wire ribbon, and you're going to see probably not too noticeable in this video, but you definitely want the wired ribbon. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you for supporting my channels. So you can use as much ribbon or as little ribbon as you want. So if you want it fluffier and more full, you want to cut more strips. If you don't mind having a lighter bow, then that's fine as well. They both look beautiful. Now you can either cut your tails at an angle, or you can go ahead and butterfly them, which is what I'm doing here. So once you have those ribbons all lined up, as many as you're going to use, then what you want to do is fold the ribbon over 6 inches and pinch. And you're going to do that to all of these ribbons and gather them together in your hand. So you want to fold it over, you want to scrunch it and pinch, then move it over to in between your fingers and keep on moving with all of them, alternating the ribbon style. So I forgot to buy floral wire when I was in the store. So we can go move to the next best thing, which was a chenille stem. Then you want to go ahead and tie all those ribbons together. And I'm using the chenille stem. Twist that until it's, pretty tight, holding it together. Then you want to separate, like down the middle, the tails. And as you're doing that, you're going to go ahead and start separating those tails. It almost reminds me of an octopus, guys. Now, once the tails are all fluffed out, now you want to start working with the actual fluffing up the bow. So that's what we're doing here. And that's why I say the pink ribbon, which was my smallest one, just flopped over. But of course, the wired one stayed nice and fluffy. And that's what I was saying. And thank goodness it was only the one ribbon. Now I'm really liking the color choices here. I decided to go with the metals, and mixing the metals is perfectly fine. So we have a rose gold and we have a gold mixed in here, wire. And this would be great not only for holiday gifts, but this would be great even for birthdays. Look how pretty this is. So here we are at the reveal, and I'm so excited. It looks absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree, guys. So going with more ribbons is just as beautiful as going with a little bit less, and I am loving it. As you can see here, the small little pink ribbon is not standing up like the other ones, but that's okay because my mistake is your benefit, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.